Today we're going to talk about something everyone's curious about: how to make your face more attractive, not a little, but 10 times more. And no, I'm not going to say drink water or sleep early. We're past that. What I'm about to share with you are scientifically backed practical changes you can make that have a real, visible impact on how you look. So open your notebooks, because we're diving into 9 real tips that actually work. Let's begin. Tip number 1. Eyebrows. Shape them based on your face. Your eyebrows do more for your face than you think. In facial recognition studies, eyebrows ranked as one of the most important features for attractiveness. Why? Because they shape your expression, balance your features, and define your bone structure. Now, this isn't just about trimming. It's about understanding which brow style suits your face. If your face is round, you need a slightly arched brow to add angle. If your face is long, flatter brows create horizontal balance. And if you have a sharp jaw, soften it with a rounded brow. Get them threaded or shaped professionally once, then maintain it yourself. Think of your brows as natural face framers. Tip number 2. Hairstyle. Match it with your bone structure. Let's move on to hair. Your haircut can either enhance your facial features or completely hide them. There's solid research behind this. A study in the journal Perception found that when a hairstyle complements someone's face shape and bone structure, their perceived attractiveness goes up significantly. For example, if you have a round face, you want more height on top and less volume on the sides. If you have a long face, add width on the sides to balance it. And if you have strong cheekbones or a defined jaw, keep the hair off your face to let those features show. Don't follow trends blindly. Choose a hairstyle that works for your anatomy, not just your social media feed. Tip number 3. Improve facial symmetry through simple habits. Why is this important? Because symmetrical faces are universally considered more attractive. There's evolutionary psychology behind it. Here's the good part. You can actually improve your facial symmetry over time with consistent habits. Chew on both sides of your mouth. Don't sleep on the same side every night. Practice proper tongue posture. That's the mewing technique you've probably heard about. Even daily smiling exercises can help retrain muscle balance. It won't transform your face overnight, but after a few months, you'll notice your face becoming more aligned and balanced. Tip number 4. Under eyes. Target this area with caffeine and retinol. Dark circles and puffiness make you look tired and unhealthy, even if you're not. And no, sleep alone won't fix it. You need the right ingredients. Caffeine eye serums help tighten the skin and reduce puffiness. Retinol creams help thicken the skin and reduce the appearance of veins. Both are backed by dermatology studies and used by professionals. Apply them consistently, morning and night, for at least 4 weeks. Treat your under eye area like a separate project, because when your eyes look fresh, your whole face lights up. Tip number 5. Whiten your teeth. Let's talk about your smile. Multiple studies show that whiter teeth signal good health, youth, and even higher social status. You don't need to go full Hollywood, but whitening your teeth by even 2 shades makes a big difference. Here are some simple options. Whitening strips, baking soda toothpaste, LED whitening kits with safe peroxide levels. Do it slowly and consistently. Don't overdo it. A clean, healthy smile is one of the fastest ways to look more attractive, and it costs almost nothing. Tip number 6. Facial hair. Grow it with intention. If you can grow facial hair, this one's important. Facial hair can add maturity, definition, and structure to your face, but only if it's intentional. A study in evolution and human behavior found that light stubble was rated most attractive, followed by well-groomed beards. If you can grow a full beard, great. Shape it to enhance your jawline. If not, light stubble with clean lines is more than enough. Got a patchy beard? You can try minoxidil or derma rolling if you're serious. But the key is grooming. Unkempt facial hair subtracts points. Well-managed facial hair adds structure and masculinity. Tip number 7. Posture. Fix it and watch your face change. Now here's one that surprises people. Your posture affects your face. Slouched shoulders and forward head posture cause the jawline to soften and the face to droop. When you fix your posture, your jawline appears sharper, your neck looks longer, and your overall presence becomes more confident. Start with chin tucks, shoulder rolls, and wall posture exercises. Over time, your entire facial profile improves, just by standing the way nature intended. Tip number 8. Exfoliation. Unlock the skin beneath. Most people wash their face and stop there. But here's what they miss: dead skin. Dead skin cells block light, clog pores, and make your face look dull. You need to exfoliate twice a week depending on your skin type. Use salicylic acid if you have oily or acne-prone skin. Use glycolic acid if your skin is dry or textured. Chemical exfoliants work deep into the pores to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Consistent exfoliation is like rebooting your skin every week. Tip number 9. Groom your nose. Yes, really. The nose is the central point of your face. You might not notice it, but people do. Here's how to improve the appearance of your nose without surgery. Start by using pore strips or a clay mask once or twice a week to clear out blackheads. This instantly makes your nose look cleaner and less oily. Next, trim any visible nose hair using a precision trimmer. It's a small detail, but trust me, it makes a big difference in how neat and well-groomed your face looks. If you're someone who appears on camera or takes a lot of photos, you can also try a little subtle contouring. Just a light shadow on the sides of the nose can create the illusion of a more defined shape. No filters required. Remember, it's not about changing your nose. It's about removing distractions so your natural features can shine. All right, class. Let's review what we've learned. These 9 tips might seem small when looked at one by one, but together, they completely transform the way your face is perceived. Let's break them down. Eyebrows. Clean them up and shape them to frame your face. Haircut. Choose a style that complements your face shape and makes you look more put together. Facial symmetry. Improve it through better grooming and slight adjustments in how you carry yourself. Under eyes. Reduce dark circles and puffiness with cold compresses or caffeine-based creams. Teeth. Whitening or just good dental hygiene makes your smile 10x more attractive. Beard. Either grow it out neatly or keep it clean-shaven. No in-between mess. Posture. Standing tall can literally change how your face looks from the side. Skin texture. Exfoliate and moisturize so your skin looks smooth and healthy. And of course, nose grooming. The goal here isn't to become perfect. It's to become better in a way that's practical, noticeable, and long-lasting. If you try to do all 9 at once, you'll probably burn out. So here's what I recommend. Pick just 3 of these tips. Start applying them consistently for 1 full month. Don't skip days. Stick with it, even when you don't feel like it. And after 30 days, you'll notice the difference. So will everyone else. You'll start turning heads without even trying. That's all for today, my friend. Now go out there, level up. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. We've got more glow-up tips coming your way. You don't want to miss them.